The God of the scriptures is not predictable. He's unmanageable. He's holy. And he demands everything. The prophet Isaiah, revered in Jewish extra-biblical tradition, a man who, according to such tradition, as confirmed in the text of Hebrews 11, died by being split in half by a saw, prophesying until the saw reached the corner of his mouth. When this man, this martyr, Isaiah, experienced his theophanic vision, witnessing in detail the second person of the Godhead in all his glory, this relatively righteous man, by the standard of his day, this good man, fell to the floor, crying, bawling, and vomiting like an infant. The only thing Isaiah was able to do was to pronounce himself not just cursed, but as a curse in comparison to the holiness that is God Almighty. Woe is me, for I am a man of unclean lips. Isaiah is so terrorized by this experience that the first sin he is confronted with is not any sin of omission or commission, not any sin relating to his neighbor or his family or his friends, but the mere realization that being in the presence of truth itself, truth with a capital T, Isaiah the courtier, Isaiah this royal, educated prophet, this deliverer, this divinely sent warner of his people, that Isaiah, this man, is still a lie.